Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I am going to cover the part 4 of NBFC training. So in this training, I'll cover the reporting, basically the reports in Jainam Software. So here, if you check status report, let's start from collection report. In collection report, you have here, sorry, actually I just logged out. Okay. Here is collection report. Here you have daily collection. Daily collection is whatever field collection you do on a daily basis, you will get the collection here. Next is collection by staff. So whatever collection your staff does, okay, all that will be shown here. Like for example, this is an admin who has done the collection today. If you click here, you will see actually yes, because it's an admin, it is verified directly, okay, because it's an admin. Now when the employee does the collection, it usually goes in unverified. You click here and you verify the collection here and then click on verify, okay, because admin is verifying the collection. Then we have collection by month, where you will get to see your monthly collection that is done in an entire month. Then we have collection by day as well. So on a daily basis, you can see what collection you have done. So daily collection and collection by day is the same thing. Only thing here we have a date range. That's it. Then we have my collection. My collection is usually given to your employee to check their collection that they have done. Collection detail is a detailed collection report that you will get. Okay. Like it will tell you how much interest you have received, how much is your principal. Here there is a hyperlink. When you click on this, it will show you what account, how much interest has been collected, how much, amount, that is total amount, interest plus principal, and this is amount per installment. And this is 100 days, that is the tenure. So this way, this will show you a detail, this will give you a detailed report. So this is collection report. Now in status report, we have all party list that will give you the list of all the active loans that are running in your company. Now all party list detail is basically a little, a little detailed report where you will get a lot of information like document charges that have been added, tenure, collection, okay. What is the total outstanding. There's a lot of information here that you will get in this report. Now every report has got filters here, so you can filter the report on different branches, you can filter the report on groups. Then also new filters have been added, like you can filter on collectors, frequencies, that is if you want to see daily, you can just apply and see the daily, how many daily loans you have created. Then next is the due list. Now due list will give you the dues for that particular day. Actually this will give you for 3rd August. Now if I want to check some past dues, so I can just say from 1st August to 3rd August what are my dues. So you will get the due list for that particular date range. If you want to see future dues also, you can change the date here, say 7th or something. You want to check from 1st to 7th. So you will get the future dues also. So similarly here again all the different filters have been provided, okay, like all days before. Then there's assigned to, whom you have assigned to this loan. So different there are different filters which you can filter this report on. So next we have the outstanding list. So basically this outstanding will show you outstanding till date, that is till 3rd August 2021. So it will give you a list of your outstanding loans. Now here there are other filters as well. If you are using deposit also, you can select loan and deposit. Here if you want to look for a particular product, say for personal, how much is your outstanding, you can check that. For gold, how much is your outstanding, you can check that as well. So based on product also the filters have been provided. Now next here is penalty list. So if you have added any penalty then you can see all the penalty that has been added. Next is the credit bureau report. This credit bureau report, if you refresh, what is going to happen here is you can just export. See, basically all these reports can be exported from here. When you click on export, it will get downloaded to XLS file. So same way, now I have downloaded the credit bureau report. So this file can now be uploaded to your credit bureau agency. Then similarly we have here, this is basically for Nidhi companies, but there is auto debit report. An auto debit report will give you a report on your auto debit NASH. It will give you account information, what is your charge information, how much has been received, and plan information, whatever plan you have chosen. So these are the different types of reports. Then year-end financial reporting also we have, that is the MIS. Now when dashboard will actually show you how much cash in hand or bank balance you have, then this is basically the dashboard. Okay. Now here we have balance sheet. So at the end of the year you will need like a matching balance sheet that you can get from here. Okay. Now next is you have, after balance sheet we have profit and loss. If you refresh, you will get the profit and loss statement. Then there's trial balance. There's also bank statement, which will give you a statement of your bank. Like, if you have disbursed from the bank, all your loan disbursement entries will be shown in the bank statement. Now, at the same time, there is cash statement. All the cash, all the loans that you have disbursed through cash, or any transactions that you have done through cash, will be shown in the cash statement. Okay. And there is also an account statement where you can see everything account wise. For example, if you have given some document charges or something, then you can get a report separately for each. So these are the document charges. Let's check for cash only. So these are all the this is all my report for the cash statement. So like this you will get account wise reports in account statement. Okay, so friends, these are all the reports that we have for the NBFCs and microfinance, section 8 microfinance registered companies in Jainam Software. So in the next video, I'll come up with employee login and customer login. Until then, thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day.